Ashafo any adolfo and so me some Wakwaba view. By the beginners talk show is so. One of the finest entertainment show out Ghana. Watch us here. And me did your Hinnick and I also with me from Abisco, Major also. Sabri, when you take a share back home, I was studio. Me following you, Papa, and then you be dead. Watch us on a minute about to come on watch senior or share challenges or fair moody and motivating. I'm more bedu baby away day. Where do I know be a bonny do or Ghana ha? Once yes, we or your kunini ewo in you tour a Jumanimo. Na and son, I didn't come out to train the best chassis. No, we tram who see me too heavy, Menko baby, I tram you, me bape, me introduce me guest. No, na in summer and no, ya dear brown. One gas out sha, bear encourage you. Be two for one who say baby, I won't catch you, who can call anymore, also wait me a day. I make it, wait my bed, say Nipana, and then Baba Chichin Common. Intimate baby, I train, see my pet, me tram home be papa on, come out to train the bed to almost. Although for me, sounds of Makwaba view, by the beginners talk show you so. Sabre me guest at Senase. I'm in a Baba Chichin Common. Now, I'll share send me why for ya. Free Benghazi boutique, tell my committee one. We do now say, Open Benghazi boutique, Ubia bedding, a retro. Now, not TikTok. I say, I didn't want to say, you'll be vibes.
You'll be vibes.
But how you name do? I think you're more boozy. Boozy. Charlie, I call this. Okay, I'm going to say, and you know, comma, I did be a boozy. There's all the open there, Suswana. The best I'm going to pay. If you ask a crown, a talk right at your mind. A ball, a ball. Because me sure you know two of me who and me say, hey, say, when you say, when I go for a bar, then one was and can you to a go when you can put a bed into a toy at the park. A toy at the park, a toy at the park, a body park. Sir, body farmer, I sit them BBI. No, I just go just I never, sir, was you know, a camba, a party song. Okay, yeah, let me feel this out by the the other like when you're calling say other way round, you know, at set down so yeah. Tea and this one's a market, and the music, you know, people we to make I say we are buying your win to an enemy. Okay, there will be a shiny puppy be annoyed. And see, I don't know what's the sound from Nana Tito at the call EOB vibes. Secret in this, and I know them come out. I just be a bit my car and like I cry, meet my can say. Nana Tito no, Nana no yemi look at the feminine. Okay. Tito no see a dear of back on the mamma, such as a seed. Seed, okay. Evans a Latin word. Timitra's that I mean, unique when I'm starting music, you know. Who's a, as a pity be a madame so, a baby tag. Okay. Tino, I'm finding it to no, but me and I may and I'm to baby. I was saying Mrs. Samukaka. Okay. I just say, you are bracket ticket when you bet in a woman. The morning when you know what we know, whatever be busy somewhere. The EOB vibes, no Sujina Homa, Evans or being boating. That's a rare name, man. My uncle's a media at the moment. Okay. The vibes, no, yeah. Or this only to your vibes, I say. Tino. Vibe. Yeah, I did be a very chibia, so lie. And I only know I make a woman who's there. Was a mere decide, Tino. Okay, EOB vibes. Okay, see, that is a name. Nana Tito, say a friend, EOB vibes. Is that the often Nana Tito own fuel? They don't say EOB vibes in an our trend on social media. Maybe I should say EOB vibes. Of course, we get it. Nana, EOB vibes. It's as an Ananiakam. And you know, a chassis free. Oh, me, I got me crab me free. Such a quiet mind, a sentiment. Okay, I'm for area. Okay, I want to start in BBI. I am at the age of 7. I want to use some talent in music. I was in focus more. I want to be a starting. Also, Papa is of one. Oh, Papa, yes, of like only my Papa was. And also a trader. Okay. Was baby, we all say, me Papa, softened to me, Tony was sorry, and a baby ever told you. Age Ben, I won't say, I'll say, we'll call the new to fully. Saturday, I will pay 12 years. Okay. Yeah, 12 years the music was that time not about for you. Anyway, Permuka, Yanum, that I feel now pass pa. Zata me no me na me hu se enu mumu na ebi ebetima agina so many pa hu me mo. Zata me ye rap.
Okay.
Rap music. Kakra sa ko se me de ko GHS.
Okay.
Na me hu se I was say me ye bibia. And so bitimi no mama e di na ba. Because that time rappers were home the boys be omo ye rap ko si plus rap cha. We ko be no mo so ye bi. Ti e dey na bit mama o dey no kwan yeso.
Ayeso no ko ye.
Ti when me decide say am dey sing so come. Ti we can nyina bu mu na ene me do so am dey adwuma.
So ko school one.
Because school was a check ama wana
na SS no so.
Hono nyina wana me ko no.
Yes, o ya Asante.
Eko kesi
American.
Enye easy. It's very cry me rap beach from say before say kroma ni mo nyam dance. E ba no rap so ameni mo ye chem. Yes so rush na wo ye dwon. Otwa mo say akura sembe ye no.
Americans mo hard J.
Big shout out to Americans Charlie. O say krom so ami. I see everybody.
So ami say ho cry there.
E ho ni mo dini ya trick me ka say just say nkan na ja.
Is that one baby?
Aha me de my brother no be sweet ya na. And attack the dada so.
And see what call you fully no challenges in the video.
Oh, challenges in there more, you know. You need to be a bear and you will be the phone in our pool because of that. What you say own school. You know, African as you know, you go to Africa, you only saw school and they are doing
okay.
But a day I saw phone in an only told me to say, yes, school and bit mamma will be a picture.
Yes. Be
any day I could put their money. It's you know. Me no na be ba ma fam me ne me boy back o leg if any kwadu yado obo wafa
okay
on the wafa for number 4
okay
yeah and I could see plus rap checking na me no mu nyina ye nyina tifi ba kum ne ye that time na mo say bia wo ye nyumpo kra keke nyumpo kra na mutimi kwa kudu meter I just say manti so ezu chela bi
o mo bra ho ahi
yes we just say music na be ye na music na be ye dia ba ma me na for no so no mo zo music. Okay. So titi abakwase mu ya me papa mo no side no me music. Ba ma me mo side no me music.
That didn't know beso be ana o ma mo bra.
Oh, anye se o ma mo bra o. Obi a woni kakra oni me ne ho to no but. O say e bibima mu wa no obi a pese ne ba ko school. On dey tino.
Be lawyer, doctor,
ne sa ne ma no. But esu obi a ne na bra.
Okay.
Nti me no challenges in there na e mo obeti na fi unya adwani ni. Because time so say bia be se ko fufu na na namunya bini a so de kwa kwetene me bia kwetene me anyu me kwa so kra me tire bia kwa me be kwa me kwa record nti me nua me ni me nua mo na decide say I was say ya ye bomodin na yi studio fie nti me nua kwasi place no obomodin ata no so bo ben o school mu ni ade nti no obomodin service kakra na no e na no decide say obitima akotot PC ata aza make 2007 asemu koto PC no oye PC ni bi na so odiye enyuma keten mi ni decide ze kwaku esana me friend
okay
e kwaku chali enya ye ya oni ade ya enya di enya sata me kaze na ye wo on se broni wadi some headphone bia e bi mo show maso aya na e bi tua ho te se abaa
I say mic bi
mic bi nti eno na eno ne di si even table so na me nua no e be fa ne cool edit ata no mo di ye video
software
but ono na ono de otimi de recording nyum nti mi din 7 baba ti se bia ma twere gu paso se mi tibia oni se bo start to record se mi tibia enyum no nya se mi start afresh
so se mo delete nya no mo start for
ti mi din baba ti se de e chankwa ko twere zamse mi din se mi nyina baba nti eno no e bia se bia e nyum no e bia be vocal bi wo kire a e kire obi se yo asem wi a meken e bia se me kasem wi a je so ana je so he
back in
back vocal nti no me bia metimi gada boys bs 4 ana 3 no mu gina machi na kosi pass so mo so yes ade na me so mu gina chi na me
wow
pass wagu ayim na ade so we bo na ade ba obi o bia me se nyankopon se wo hunya like wo hunu obi o bia ma boy bia dream wona ni so bia na o yiri no bia na onyine no na ebe happy because enu am ye nyina fire ye do say
tell the thing na wunjai because oboafo bia amma wo se enu ana wo be ye
me di mi nyai enu mi to ye a me ye enu madwuma yi minim da me jai
fa so be na wanya na onyum
fa so bia manya ne se meditifi
se
se onyankopon abo amene kakra ba metimanya todwane adi ne ho nkyere me fear me team wo studio fear so to the
music na audio yes and
kakra with the help of like like with the help of some people and I met him do see met him nya kakra bia and meeting be twitwa me ho a ja meeting nya bi hwe me anu mo ne be su afo kakra
ene na nyum ya moska
we ni ya be nya ni
sa this is ka wo
music me ka say music no ska wo but Ghana ha no skani musa aje so obomodia tutu kwai nyanya kopon boawo so obro ho asen kwa dia because ade a minimum Bible me say mo fata ka sin bi kire me o ta ka sin bi kire mo say pride leads to distraction and arrogance to downfall. Proverbs chapter 16 verse 18.
Wow. Ina na wo na de o mako Bible.
I say me na nam side no like I'm some wo
so fudie ka
and me sound na me board drums so sorry dem ka
sa it is stored and one abo
na nyina me da so
ti o ka so be
me see ya so me ko Holy Faith of Zion and I'm chia me sofo papa uni wonu ana abo me kakra kan na me wa say
obeti abo ne di problem
uni ni pa de first on the no pastor uni kwa brasare
okay
pastor kwa brasare ono ana abo ami a ne me de ene uni ara ya ne me de bedu say
okay nana yawo any UOB vibes e dey inspire you ma wo tro nyum bozi ni ma to video bi ma to ni ade na me hu
I don't know guys
me share woni bless alomo sisi eno so man bichi na masa me share woni yapono ofori amponsa sa anyim so e ma kwa bozi ni man kwa
enti I don't know so poor basim like only what na eno kwa na e
so de na to na kase nkwa na hu no mu
and now say me no kasa me ka just say eto boa o man kwanimu
e wo kwa beso
kwa beso wo to me utiato utiato sa peto
eto be na metia
enye duru ha obi eti yes the secret behind say sometimes me nyuma me tro no eya na me wo some story eya me fam
okay
e bit say aromo sisi ya nyuma me ne oba tene free kura birim
okay
and aduru say me ne kwa ya wade no papa mpre so because me ni bi
okay
eya me am life story
okay
iti o papa decide say za kwa no ko fiskani obi a wato nyum saa unika pre de
shema
de na bitima bo
okay
iti me am so mi say da bi e wo say mitimi kan bi papa ne like eto bibi eto papa ne trim
okay
me papa ne tena sekasa papa na anti but iti mi chege no me and you am chance you eno abrache enye ne be start adwuma wi ache iti kiremu chi papa ne say say kakra na bitimi de dru ba bi pesi dru mu fiti pe kopem pause mu ja beba sa nti almost sisi na oye no ekoma obia ne mo abontin nyina se so woni be ma wo kwa nyantobu ase ne fa otwen ne mpai botan na chi se di oye bia nyi yie me ne wo ho na wo se misu ba nya wo kofa bia nana wo kwa ebi wo kwa kofa obia wo na nso hye na daka
sa wonim hye no sitie
sa nti no me de kire ema no mo nyina se woni be matewa nyantobu ase fa mpai botan na chi na mungusu mpushi na awofo nsusu no ya munsusu musu to pressure ma yem na mususu mu fampa bonta ya chi because en kaka na musu mu didu dia pia
na na ntisi awo benya sky isa me nim se wo ska
o ska dia me ka se me ska kwa me despite kwa we ska
benya ska again awasaba
obi a piska a ska dia enyanko pa do kakra bi betimi atwetwa ya mu dia
na again awasaba
oh edru mire bi no papa ampene so
okay
into okoe enu na me de ye enyu ma lo mosisi no atu hwe video na ya ware kama at personal life no ya
ware na maso wow and a heartbreak
obe de December you know into years
other for UOB vibes first in your friend Nana Tito ona me ne chichi nkomo no na nkomo na ye de but you say agro de no na de sen kransefo ye twa ho kitu abi aren abaye ba ye de komo chichi ne beto amoso nti mama nko ba bia won say nkomo na ye de aye hit wa say won twa ye ba other for some akwa banso bio nkomo no aye de wan say ansem if say wa wo hwe me wa fa bibi wom wo so obekọ ba duane kran ma ne bindi wa ko chi nche onu so oba na duane ofie na oba na nya hwe ndi obe ye ne den wo so still wo so onja anyim nyum na no beto UOB vibes Now we can't go beyond some say almost is your life story.
Yeah, my real life story.
And he now say and you know we are now sebi in fasobia and masono. And now challenges now often I want to me anyone in and I say Nana
as I'm there because I may come across like some because I may come about some mature and as I'm a cosa mature rebel
sir.
And never be by my firm na yeah yet me canning in us. I can't meet my can say
cannot be for be and two no
Mimi so I know my name Papa Giant grapping.
Okay.
And my mammy will nip. Mini am 6. If you are wow, be I any lie. Tino. If you me for 7 do the machine be a school boom. If you a school boom, I will risk of it to go school. I was a day. I was say it took quite a copper pabity. Timia, mamma for back when I put on the currency, if any cordial, and I'm from the currency to quite Bogota region. I want to make shoe shine. The go shoe shine, sir, but more than service for 1 year.
Shoe shine.
Go shoe shine, sir. And then you're music, you know. Maybe child, dear mammy, music pa. The go shoe shine, sir, 1 year, name is like Nami Piscada, who school to me, escape and see. To once be, the name of boys, no. Bogota region, say be a musician as a wee commercial from Siano. Yeah. It's in the Moana, the boy back, almost so flat. Tis a minimum, a flat day lane. When you know me, a drama from say, no boy, you Charlie, you know how to sing, you for try go school. I say, my guy, Charlie, me, I'm not going to tell you I go fit go school. That's why they do this job. He say, Charlie, you for try go school because we say the thing there inside you. And I'm in a casam, so meaning say, I dear woman, but no push. I see that be many name. Jimmy Baffy, so me, my dream penny for Kayam.
Nana, let me say, what can experience be bring a dear intina, your wolf firm Sebi, a person, a coon, and a day, who boo for me, and now don't want it. Would I want to see you man motivation if
me reason why I'm changing me to be sad name and name man. Downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Yeah. So me when he say I have to decide and come up with something different. I was a Rasta guy, I was a drug guy. Okay. And I made him recently.
I didn't know try.
If I say I have to brand everything again. Okay. Every branding me be BNT. You see, you know, like we tell you mama, they be banning your mama, yeah, different vibes altogether. I never be brainy there. Because of yeah. Music as a whole, now can say with problem.
Problem maybe need
problem I can say individuals now can say any man can say problem. Person kumnya will too much. Person kumnya say me mo asumesi ubu anu bia. Ono obuana obi so bua no mum no person say wo mu pakro.
You see musicians mutu adro tiam ho pa yamba.
Ene de adwuma bia ewu. Anya musician. Adwuma bia koso wasa si so bia. Once me no kasa no kasa bi say time for us in the buy. Second ni be nyina say sa tem nyina.
Nti adro wakwadro so an obi e de adro tiam wo hu da.
Adro de say de bia ehu bi de bia.
Ba obi aka say nana e pese ye say nana because nana akọ nanim.
Ama hu bebrebe. Amati bebrebe. Ba yakopon na dum ti e da so le de bi e de bi e da so le.
E ba ne say na wo hu ye.
Obo ma se mu du. Obi ba ya wade. Oh. Obi hu sa de we ya wa ye so ma si ade wa ye die. Wa ya di bi so person de say. Ba yakopon sa like when yakopon. Wa obi hu ade we say, "Hey. Wo so da ye ma, wo de me bi so asem so ta so da ye."
Ye me so da ye.
So okay Job like it was any passo die was an adwa wada no yakopon yi no wadi choda yeso
no it means no kasa
no kasa da yeso ti da ya de pa ni pa bia so die would betima so die da ibu abeso pa bo se wona mo a di be 1 month bo se die no ni was e de na be hia to bo se wona e betima twese woni se yakopon yi bibia che nto wonu timi bo pitri gina was he anaka wotimi se he dai we pa na hia obi betima ye wade Obe piabo ntina be hu se he ade we yakopon yi a kire me mpa tele me jona me tona se
o kasa nya se o de da yesum na o de hu but wa de won ko adro so da
me ko adro so da
talent na bi mu ko no person de tiam
se ni de ye ni bre otana sem na wo kan no
ai ska na wo ska sa
bra ni pa bre nyina de be tanyi ska
ntina wo ska pa na na mo ni bre no
anye se me wo ska de omo hwe help na ye bo akoa no akoye kwatante sorry say music sa word na akowe ya onamwa ono te kantamanto me ba kra me te kantamanto ye me music me kantamanto na metie say BSS na me fa ha shifu no nya me BSS na me sa baaye no e ba kra me be da circle 1 month me ba bi na wow na me da man for store no sa ko si say Yakopon bo ame a metimi nya eno kwa me komuni bi no so wa denta obefa me ko share no chen na ko si price be fa me na ko si price ono because I do be we school ja ntino o de ka ba obefa ma me ko mo nyina nchen wo fie SMCC yama me fie am fie ko me nua bi nchen woni town ona me ko hu la lusu aso obe ve la lusu no ba me nua bi studio be yanyom ba wi ase de bia me ka che ni patient tuni pankre oba studio no be yanyom a obo nse akwa ketwa so wo raka umusa kwa no talent ato bia mo no timi nua no me ka jare akwa we be ya bobi tima ne free ne boa no so wo ya akwa we mu de we omba kwa be yanyom kwa no mitimi nchiaka saa giti mani tie na jaru so ni stumbu aye ena na luso aye big one am on wi ase no etuni panko ne bi na happen wo no ena obe prince obe kwa ni nchen on fiu ena na ya na obi fiu ze bia akowo che no me woni me fine me no ye fine na na from say pese ye interview nya no aba saa woni me fine me no ye fine woni mo beef am no wo beef na me kan enti ni pa de sani ankasa no wo tiri man kasa no problem wo ni pa tiri me ba kra na me da sa okay uni story na me bi frache no asa na me de ko kantamantu ko ge 3 wana me tompa bo ko kantamantu be do o de o da be do kantamantu bi abusa so hwe na neti to be tompa bo ge 3 lane so wana so uni wana tompa bo e ba ma uni me ba me free that time to school wow me uni wana me master net ye master uni uni sorry say me ya so uni master me master fe ne ya dabo o se de kokko ono ana obo a me woni akosi biye ai konzimo ne omunyina ku fi kwa chi ne Kennedy mu
ne be mo wabre
o e kan zama ni perform a se entra me kan se wiaso nya nwu ya etrenti e nya kyehye
ne se favor bi it's say how to me chow first video kura
eno na me da me dwene ho am ntiase o because I don't think madness first I can go try video me jo me me shedem sunzam me go try video yede camera sim so na me fere camera yede camera sim so na city class man big shout out to me manager my first manager friend Dr. DJ na me share top FM ya go kun shira ono na discover me ono de me chona si o enti kantamatu
uko share no
kantamatu wana me share no
okay
na 2015 na me share no kantamatu no yana jiso babo menwum we radio stations amame but we yana zo babo menwum radio stations ni ade na nwum na ede ti we no kanya me se challenge we no de e be ya anka ye ni yi because amanfo we question nwum ni mo ona me de call tema met miss nya babo sha ye ti wona ko si plus na edwuma ma no na e bo mo de anya nwum na me de bre no through that me nya afofo
but to link up be na mo de ko share Dr. DJ
o no ba kantamanto zo be tompa bo ameso na me tompa bo nti me production pa bo anu ma na me tompa bo na no say ade ewo mu ni de ewo mu ye nya na me tonwum nti me tonwum o say ya ntuni am say o say me freestyle na man freestyle e wona chi no no so ka che me so wona so ye adwuma radio stations but o e obi a o ta ba ho beto ne pa bo ani ade na o de fa me say na crowd de bo abo am say ko zize Yakopon bo ame a me share me mita
see that time na o sign one na say ye mo akeke
moa say ono no be like ono mo no abe sem ye nwum wi a ono be assist no de akọ radio stations ni ade
awa na obetia bi
until say me Yakopon bo ame am share mo fa what you say and ono ka say there be ade ewu mu no de say me bo awo na ono a so decide say obe build we ko le bo amame ya there you ti yetena ase no ze okay ni enya Scaro Entertainment Scaro Entertainment no o widi ne ma bebrebe wo mu a ya dia ese abusua de nti obi o website bi afana kan obi afana kan zo mebo abusua
Scaro Entertainment artist be na mo sign no mo so
university sign artist bi ti say bless
okay
we dey born na obo chuchu
yeah
but we need label no so bi mu
be na see
we need management nsem the management
because me name say Scaro no na odano nti e ba ne say na bless free so awudi because me say me nim say no na mo handle bless
so o say ye handle no do ba bia say adwuma but me nim dey na bye but say adwuma and life still continues
nti we bless mo say mo tem
fine pa me mede am friend yo kwabra was already na koso se yaw ze woni se me yanyum kwa na be village kwa na be man so kwa ma tie nyumi ma na woni na we koso e cinema no ncheche me se na ko se na ko yeah fine obi uni are sa na odwin
because yeah TV said you grow feel labels wa na akoye ntokwa bebre Ghana ha ye hu bebre nti I say akoye say dey be say artist ni ungrateful artist no mo you ungrateful wa bo na do level wa say me pese me tell me a whole lot nti na me pese me hu the course wa ma bless a free skyro because I nim say mo na mo handle obi kra ka so hia no program na oh nim say mo na mo handle
yeah na handle but ne deals our sign or label no dey say meeting because we say adwuma bia you see you da no
okay
ti see you no na ono feel say ya see but me ade me nim say scan entertainment no ye family thing ti e bisu ade na me so no me offer say obisu ni
okay
ti I'm doing my best
also your best it issue be okay me who for amponsa yapo no collaboration be yapo no so ba na say
and you know it is somebody needs you.
Yeah, somebody needs you.
She they make a demand, and I just they wonder why I'm still in pain. My baby is not over, cause I love you. Yeah, show me your ways. Odo. Tell me who quite on a main fast. Yeah, and then I do a own pan on a medaso. Ko YouTube when you have video. Story they say. Kindi nyaku pocha kindi. Events was my first manager and discover me DJ discover me na yepe engineer na yeduma ti inya kindi na yeduma no like uni me yeduma no ena minya salary se no
okay
ti yes anyum na kindi kas oh ya anyu we dey am fa ya pono ntumo ndo ni pono kasa e pono so no we ni pa bia obe ne ho ase wo sa ni me ena pono ditum no be ye to ye we ye no adana ya say ono ye ne rap we na me ko studio 18 na yeti nyum na no na uni am boss of Frampons abai one ko finti mu ne omba studio omba kindi o so beti nyum na no say anyum we wan to ye no ni mi o no say nyum we wan to ye am say akwa na wote won to tie no say anyum na to ne de pa na me simpa jo na sinema tie ma me otie no so peso e bibi to so
okay
otie nyuma na so peso e bibi to
favor na kasa
otie nyuma peso e bibi to so to na obisa me say na me kam ka so me kwa me boss crack na wasa ma chere me no say enti mun komodi dey na me boss ndi cheno so any classmate kura wss
okay
na teacher say e adamfo enti wona me frame enti wona me frame me boss no na oni me boss no di nkomo no say ono ko no hwehwe me dada na pro kwa na ko de na ma na kwa na boa me so ene Nyankopon na ameyeshe wo studio ene oyeye ene Nyankopon adom oyeye enyum ni wie no ene na onze enyum ne ko eti enyame na adom a
director be ne transfer video
bimo la Nyankopon share bimo
ono so link up ne ba ne say
bimo no bimo ne na mpadu na kwa me mpadu
okay
enti na kwa me mpadu ne de ne bria me boss ono mu me mo fa
okay
enti o de ne bria no ena o chene so ono so wo fasi ni ono so wo bishi twa videos ni adade nti ene nya dwuma before then na manfo bibribe peso mu twa videos nti no oye na oni ne kasa ni nyina ma ne try nti ehwe no na je so bitima fitina obo modi atwa ya gupo hira bi mo bi owo bia
ena woni na nampadu so na nampadu na oni ne ye
oni na kwa mempadu ya halaki
ba ne say because legend power
eno se me no ka favor na sem
yeah
na nampadu no so na Nyankopon hira ba bia wo bia nyankwada ba bia me wo na me boss friend me say on after many bless year alo musisi no ena call me boss for ti ongo mudi nkomo na o chense anyum bia mo fa ase aye me pese utie to tie anyum no so akwa no voice pa like onumi mutu nto pese oboa me
na wo ka woni anampadu link up no doctor no ba ne say because we dey mpanifo before obe omo ne obe ya anyum no na che say wabere
blessings Nyankopon hira wa do be bia anyi hira nyame hira wa do be bia anyi hira no say nye say o nye sika kwa na hira yada sole kura no hira
yeah
ba bibrebe musko mawu itino Nana Padu the NSA or Nana Padu name a boss free. So when any dim common or Chinese, no fast, I'm a born of music, you see, until per se on any ABP. The Nana Padu tea and voice near the new Nijan. Now, I go pardon me, I said, then in a cushion, Kindi, or in a Tinana's own opinion, na nyina tena kam yazo na nafem pon so mo ne twa video one sa video na one na nafem pon ne twa okay ti ono anya to ba hyehyɛ me ekɔ abri ho na afi na na padu tena kam ekɔ abri twa video ko bibia fine the be 2 days they shoot video ti me kan say nyame hira
say o de nyame hira pa we de hustle ni nyina awanga sa wo bo ala mpaboa wo kanta ni ade nyina
ton mpaboa
and also still boys ni no money da ho abro
say ne nyame no tie nyina still boys ni da so pre ndi nyum be ba o mi pidi the very boy na fa musa boy na blue afi boys kika boy na akɔgye aduru na boy no bre no die boys hu ene kakra ba boy ne ho boys ka so yo yaku se nyame nsa wu kukuseku e ka wo na mawu sumamu nti esa nyame hira onyakopo hira wa do be bia nhira by take time brewum
opena sem keko
say asa na abeza mekam
say oni me yese mo ni ma na deda
ni ma deda e ma deda say
we say the we go na we man ka wo so peto
eto de be say eto boa ma o man konim what he has say so tuato
ba wo de nye eto na me because e ma to na me hu wo video no
sa enru ye de unu ye de wa dwe kire wo sa o de jo o ze to de e bo nipa
minim say ye wo to ho enu de scan ye de tua
eto
ba wo de no ma to nko anya wo
no onyu be na to anso vantage e ko hweti ena ma me hiti wo krum
na say open ma asem
me pe ma asem because mo nu ama mi
open ma ngasa
say
ma o guess
me guess me girl
oni sugar mommy so
dabi
because you super sugar mommy pa
dabi sugar mommy dey dabi
anana
me face bi da
we sure
me face bi da
youngest na
na me chose me na me chose get kwa bi ni afi an ko pa
you break your heart no fa bi o
obi atima koma enye yizo
ndi say obi sure honest watch ma wa
o check me check o street
adofo nana tito na me ka say isi o se ne di ni ye EOB vibes ona me ne chiche nkomo na ye de na nso ye be de be twa ye ho kitu e be ba ye be to aso ba hwe se na me ho ye fe ya Bengazi boutique tema committee 1 pempa bo ade o pe bi a wo kwa obenya bi nti twen ye ba hihia adofo me sam akwa ba bio isi aye nkomo na ye hye aye de many EOB vibes our first friend Nana TikTok one am go so na twem komo so wa share wa kan say me kra me host program me nko adwiri me hey oboshu shine otompa bo kanta yesa bobu ni go from sebi no want to be sorry all because also person ye nyo but still also be na wo ahoden na wo de wunya studio kra recording na wo so wunya obi mu hawa ene na wo wusu chale woni ya de na push ibi aba fine Nana me no udi nkomo nyina wo ka ba ko bia na wo yi quotation ti achede no wo ho tade nti na wonye gospel
ani achede
o say life na so as wo calling no
calling na so bia wo call
asofudie na wo say wo de to nko ho anwum na so de be
asofudie se me
gospel song because but mo say Bible say mo wutrim
me nyuma bibiri ba me ye nyina ye nwumo a me di tuli paf mo nyum bi efereti bia wo na mu bia na mani bu wa bi
that nti na one ka say na wo gospel artist na also your high life any hip life
enwumo to na ye to no minim de gospel na minim de high life ni nyina ye nwum ya me adwuma na ye odo asem na ye onim odo asem na ye ka
nti ade nti na ye target hip life and high life or say mo ye wiasefo
nipa dwene ena de nipa dwene nya na yakọ
nyansa na omunima na ase de
eno de unim no mu ye omumu asem nipa dwene so wa dwene kire o say abante no to say ya sa na wuhunu ba bia na ntisa betima ka jo say abante menu say Ghana unim say yemfa unim ya no wi me boa obi ti mahu o show din o show ani mi din waso no wi ade na hu mu hu nti akasa ade no wa hu eti e ni pavini but me hu ni say we ye gospel na we ye high life na we ye say ade a ya na e ya ne show kakra ne say sometimes ye video mu twam no so no e ya ne ka ho because we twa video na nkra woro mo ho ma na woro mo ho ne ya we ye bi me ye bi because society ni pe
ye na wo ye
society the poor
business Ghana
e wi ase plenty so ye ma wi ase o Bible say for Kaisa de ma Kaisa nti mo wi ase tese wi ase de ma
na se mo na mo sen kwala na mo woro mo ho
enye me na me say wo
Facebook ni Instagram
deputy
se mo ye no mo video no mo so
aso abuza akopa ma bo emre bibiza obi say ma mi nti ya se wo woro ho na se du twa video wi na da wogi say 500 cedis 300 cedis e be ko yin tua woka ene fese wo wi twa video no abam keke abawro no but unim de obenya wachiri
ti dia asem na okan
oso asa de na ba no wo ye bi ti ono na decide so person wo ye nya me na me force
ese mo na mo say wo
nya me na me force wo wa na person wo ye if say me shoot video okay fine yakopon ba che me shoot video me manager no ye nyina atena se afa dun video we bi twa no e bia ye be ko e bia adan akwa twa no e bia zo ni so but
obi o che bikini ana
e be here ba ko a obi che bikini wo benya obi
ite ye kom ana se dey
kom system ni unim obi abre kom the boys ena sa so ne ma so no unim no se kom do mo system ne kom bu they say we are say do by this time ne kom mu yakopon kan kire wo say we are say we ye ne be ba o ma be sole aman so kom be ba kom na aba ne bi ni so ti de me cho na say enti kom no enye se kom ne say kom the system no enkra no unim enkra ne mani meme nyine kom dom ne dinti na kama bebrebe o ma popo mo to ne kom na kom ne penifo a o bo hodi a fasika o ti ase no eno no
ejuma na ni o man ni mo na aba ne sa na ase
o ko kan e be ka cho say ejuma wo no bi peso be ye ejuma e wo ne de the talent there ye ne say supporting mum ne no mum ko en na be ma e mo fa ba na say be ma ni pa ba so peso mo de ejuma ba o man ni mu ni ye and support talent in a bed uncle. Almost support Ghana music, you know, straight. Almost a crana, oh, banana, we and crown talent, and what the norms are crown, who may have book a
music, I know Martin.
You may remember music, I'm only woman card near daddy.
Benefit when you're from
Minya,
when you're royalties in
Minya, as if you say, I'm going to register Jimisca.
What's your dues?
I'm at your dues
for meetings.
You could be happy, mammy be other.
And when your royalties once in the crown.
Indeed, I know just a penny for a system, and I'm support the AM. Until I dare bet my answer, you have to find your own way to make money. Tell us sometimes I'm crying in do baby, no moon said, don't penny for any, and I will be happy so chum said, don't know no more. Because they say you to know about no muscle, or will be in your brain. Until who's idea about like what be never seen a crab, Hano be you on pedidi. Papa don't damage on us because I dare chini biano be a prequel before Sonia's cafe bushia. Me my minimum business of minimum. Indeed, unimum. I ask them. And when you support Ghana music, you know, system Ben and what Ghana music. Okay, Ghana idea I call me Sudebia ma artist say we are you promotion who thing. When you do for good them.
Blog Abeka or blog when you know obey
about your 2,000. I didn't quite I
didn't know say blog Ben who approaching now or Simaniska or start here.
And the baby me for site TV interviews or Mom Baba in an homage cancer. Me got a piece of a maybe got a family that bloggers or more blogging your Mujiska. The Upas menu corner, a menu corner with Jimmy Scanner, me could draw you up as a cow. No time, Juma.
To be Tiana, I hit no for sure, and also they are bonnet.
Juma, I do. To support the youth. You are coming with it, like 50 years of person. Yeah, I'm not just come out by. Well, Sika, at the end of 1 year, I don't know he was asking me, didn't know person. Me,
vision is a me promoted talent.
Vision is your person, they
promoted talent. I want
Ghana. And I was it, name and then 1 year, person, yes, I did.
Because most of Ghana talent.
Who first go, baby, and
mini capre, camera, and I'm renting. Kakra made the number renting. I'm the child.
It's so beside
Obi me no kasa wi a obi me post video na obi kura to me kasa abo you good meboa obi to me nya bo free
baby aye blessings inti saa de no so won kwa yakopon bo na kodu baby akai wan kai a untimi kodu top da e karma me I believe in law of karma more than never be Bible karma we say exist me twesika me kun like some twesika me was kan
yeah
e asema e ka kire me o Bible because badwaman adwaman no me obi abadwaman sansi ye ne ya eno ntimi ne yiri nti obi so dem echo na say nti ade bi obeye bia no karma like homan ube face ansa no wagu one face kwa na ma ba be face ti de bia na me de bia me ka se me say pro discussion mu be se me be de bia kopon mo ano mo because enye easy nti on say wo so wo vision so person support you ade ti na anko mo hu kwa na ko mo ye no konkon so ko mo ye de konkon mo wa
obi amwa o
enso ko pa yesisi ya wa ya wie sisi ade ma blogger no beju sika ade nko ntira o mo ame ma me nko na me konso so no so na za be ha me aje se enema hu hia na support but as
the blogger be a problem
da bi mi no mo ni problem but o mo nya djuma yi mi no be any problem
bloggers be na no ma ya djuma
oh mi ni pa bibiri ba ya djuma mi ti mi nkai mo do so pa bibiri but it was a djuma say 50 year ya che nti nyina na e be kai but the mechanic say o mo support adwuma na ye ne say bia ye bobo dia support adwuma ya ye mo de me cho ya si o because chadio eya na asifima awe ho say to de bia mitimi teno mitimi hwe obi a o talent pa so say obe ya obe kopa ne asem he
nti why wadwen say obe boa obi
yakopa boa me no de mi duru wona menya bia me boa bi
say wo obi boa obi e
say kakra ka ye boa mo so ya mo so mo ho ase
sa
so pani bi boa wa
obi de ohwa mo pen
bebrebe youth in the say bebrebe
e bit say wan
oh me ti mo bebrebe
body ne wo so grateful bia na o de akoye obi
ungrateful for ndo mo do so mo ni mo oni prefer ka say mi say kuti ni o mu wura nti wa so tena se ne se wa wote wona huni se ade a me de ye iwo bi ba se na se na tito ana se King George ana se me de ye wo no enye no da jo bi ye obi asa no wawu law en fan 2 3 say e bia en fan 2 3 say ma ya di we he obi ma 10 pesos kura to bi ndi kwa asase kwa save life kwesa de ni adwuma ya wu ye me ma ohwi o se me wiem sa kwata me bi bo di mboni a eno me beba me so eno na yese ni party ase ni nya Bible se me brebe e kama
especially say Bible e fake ana
I mean case Bible e fake e manual for only one our life e manual ese hwe so de bobra but o ba ensusu ma so fofo ne nka nche wese se yam susu mpre se e pesika me pese me kwabu che pese ne ye na enye ni panya ne so di ye ade ese hwehwe ne se hwe ye pe nkwaje ho adwuma ya ipri ye nkwaje ho
we odi fo ana
e bia da che betima bam
ene e chance ntem ko se na wo preach de enye
eno na me dia se menyu mu no wutie menyu bia e na mo ntiase misere obia wo hwe bia cinema we cinema e dey tin wutie menyu mu wa kana koma so me invite like unim baba lenye ensema woti wo nyumu no a tena se we ye ntie nyumu sa keke wo kana fo de bakwa ne haye ni se anase wiase ye mpanyum papa last time she had like unim tini ba ko odin wo Ghana pa me din ko ma se yawo system no mo mpanyum pa wo nti wo ha ne ato we ni bia mo ne se de be ya
de benya kakra
hwe ya because abusuan for so depend yenye to ba se support good music wuti ase wo kuti alomo sisi se wuti mutuna se alomo sisi akoyi odo ye wo anwa me me do wonko aye promise aye wedding nyum edu so bi no bi wala timi bo odo nyum na nampadum mi unya to ba se tie nyum na eno so ka se oba usisu a emfa won cheche na do won cheche edu tam se be wala wa ho ba ya den fi so woni asumasi atena woni asumasi atena me se makodi mi pa wo buche no ma ba Ghana na me se mpo ba wale a na se madafu do che me se oba we ne bia me no wo ho na che obi be yi masutire se oba we oni na yizi ni se meja sa nti so bobro papa e de ade papa so be di wani nti me so nya to ba se tie me nyum bia ye me ka asema kire obi so obi fantasy fam tu no ho fo nti na me hu se me high life na mo pene ma me nya de me pe na me se de bia sem se me dim se me tea vibes mo nyum bo me nyum oni mo nyum bo ma bo me se ajonya me a wo bosoro ni asase wona wiase mu niama nyina hye wase odin ya kase fitete woni tatahwe ewa umrem uma de dan fichire ba ye wo hene aja hu mi mo bose ni ado ye tie ehwa mi funso onso anyi mi mo ma owo mpare mi oha oni anim guase aja mi sere nkwa
me anyi me ye bad o be releasing that way
my mother says, "Yano, if you say me could see be July, mono me the album beba. But if you say me could see a bear February and the moon me the EP beba."
But the bar no afraid, beba. Yeah, beba. So, all lunch afraid, beba. Yeah, beba. Because you know to know you impure you, but I come akuma.
And you know, so you have to sit in you say, I saw there no pay. Abraboya mi boy, Ajuma ya mi ye. Ajamidi nini na shawusa. Oh, ajonya mi, ajaso mi mo na mi bro. And she say biara woni pasisha mami. They were pema semi, they were frame susumahami, aje, send your fire, strike your tender, murder, aje, a customer who say, there will be a dear much. Timinium, instead of penny pema semon. Wow. Tell me, and put you way deep. You made this other
inspiration free.
I am coupon. A name of a form, the mammas are
your family idea.
And I'm in them be an idea. You may like me nice about my lifestyle. The quite which you mammy the training. Wow. Many more was here, Sima. We are so quiet, Bonnie, as a police barbechoa. A cousin be as assembly of a can will be used against you
in the court of law.
In the court of where?
Law.
It's yes, we are to forever be to a trim say. Ye be ye piano, and I said, ye be cabiano, and then it drew Nessa on which you are.
Be against
you. Come interview I mean we. I did be a better for the rest of our life, sir. A Jimma Quaco, I send be a make cabiano be used against me.
A children
barber video. We are legend. I mean, I'm almost hard to Miss Lenya may say, or more wanting, then I am supporting me, bra, because of our papa.
Out of 4 EOB vibes, I friend Nana TikTok, one I'm in a chicken common. Challenge common, I did. Me in some work and on. Me what dream. Me they coming one can and I was starting as for the interview. Because call a no on starting in term because
time
too much.
Onyame si wo hina for susu hina obi ansomo. Esa na de bia me na na badu ka kire me.
Okay.
Me na o se ya Onyankopon hyira wa. Okrama fa mpa bo obi dwam. Se nyame hyira wa.
Okrama fa fra yin via na.
Oh, they have but as a me na mo fam we ekoti hine for.
Oh,
oh, come such a kwama o
ma such a. And so far best performance. Eh show be.
Mo shows be
yeah, fan of Philip.
Ninya me Philip. Sir. Yeah, so me kona me dey yan say me tonyu na me fast just no money ache.
But the biggest platform original share platform be.
Because Ghana meets Niger.
Yeah,
which is last 2 years.
Okay. No, who original should be?
Before COVID-19 baba.
Wow.
Onye moda ko say.
The link up no ba na say.
No, o say management na.
Okay, no.
Yeah, no, money. Tiaja. He decided say COVID-19 buy and he decided say e was say me bomodia na me ye album na me ye enyumu a the beto the patrim. Okay. Ti me menyo money there cinema enyanto basie afi na nyum pepe bi baba
di a kire tie nyum de obe release bia no me
me de nyum ba he me de nyum bia ba ko audio maka binya ko be bia YouTube binya o say emre ni ko tamasu pesiko popo sipo mendao na sikani bemo hwe ade achi ade san nyina na emre ni ko kudi
ade nti na mo ka sika mo nka enkwa
na me kira wade me be oni waka sempa me ka sem bi akira sika on ya wati asefo ya won komu ya wo ho ade obi ahwehwe enkwa ni sika wo enkwa na ni sika wa sem mo bo mpacho o ti de me chona se nti enkwa ho hia sika ho hia enkwa na ade ho hia yi but sika so ya de esom
ade nti na mo ka sika
obi apisika me busa zemo de we wi ase ba this time no nti say na na mo tete pen so bi mo ye nyina hia sika da bu o man okay o ti ase o shatade ya o shatade ze wo kan ze obi bi na sponsor e be si o pefu egu mu ho no egu mu say sika na de toy day in and day out ye nyina ni episka because oni ma be doso kwa for ba na kwa wo we de wa be wo your responsibility so hwe wo ba Busia Ford. When you be a friend, when you be a friend, pressure, me say. Ba mani mami bibino, ba mempadia, ebe mami pressure. Me tankwa su chen koi, enti susu hama juno sister Esther. A friend me sami mami yale da asu piti, abusunya sem bema ama me humete. Me ire me ma yare me landlord soje. Adwendwene kwa ma me soti, wu se maboda kwa ho, eye pressure. Me yala la sulala, eye pressure. Me tokete so aminei, eye pressure. Se makoji sikado mpo a, eye pressure. Me sa sheme nantemu a. Obi so se nantemu to na yesi a.
And we a fraud boy.
Dabi.
Sa when you game boy.
Dabi ebe dabi.
Because I think na musicians no more de nyum na kata. So na say fraud na moye.
Dabi. Ye on say ye no. E bi atiti ye free ye ni adare no. E ya na emra wo ho pa.
Nti when you fraud.
Dabi.
Sa
Dabi.
Onka ho.
Dabi. I dey very fraud me bi.
Onka ho.
Dabi. Fraud. Dabi.
Okay.
Me no me de nyame ne panic kakaka ne me ene me bre ade a minimu asase se ade a wa mmere nya no unya ntimi hweso yi nti matete bibi se fraud fo no munya sika a chi na film se no ma bebo ya basa esa no ate
sa na me se bebi so de sisi dan yo
sa ojina obi ane bebi o free bebi obi ane na atwe okay nti minu ade a minimu se ade a wa mmere nya no utimi hu how valuable it is
na tambe na bo
aware de nyankopon ntamo so beba aware nya uni menye enye prezo enye pre ho mini pa bia
na online
o mu ni mo ba o
udeti
mediti sa o na sami ye bema
to wanzia
o sisi ye o wakra ye
wow open waka no kro
ono na abo am be sisi amre
ene me ma no nka no kro o mo yere kom so ndi
oh ade tina izo kan kro ade una ade tina izo kan
ma o get ne shout out mami hey
Mami yakupon shira o ti aso ba kuku yakupon shira o wa no ba madu isi yakupon shira o kuku a me do no pa
wow chala ba kuku hey chale you run for nsi wa mo say you we unique
one do me na bre sa me na bre oba obeti abra basia support to uni bia support ni pa do se ne be
easy
me a small boy but them kofa ni mire bi wa me ntino
o ye de ni
ono so no ya santini
ba se cook on o de
oh unim o ye fantini okay na ne fire fantini fanzo ya igbeni okay
nice one na we dey you see agwede na dey sen ye wa be sorry juma dey ni so dey na 2 years ye dey enemy for fans expecting
asemba ko am pesa me dikaka say yakupon share scaro like me dika say yakupon share scaro entertainment King George yakupon share King George yakupon share ubia sa bankwa Mr Simpson Ike ata munyina yakupon share on ne King George ya mo fa King George no ana so mo abisi same na de di mani so a me de banze me sire yakupon me yankwane ahoden ne atimu a se boni bia nto ya yensere se yale boni bia na bi boni basa si su bi ye de enwum no se de yakopon de amaye ye beye na ya ye enwum ama na to ni pasum ama ni patia nse abranti wi ni enwum de muso nti by this time this year no me drop like even see if is am nkosi be feboni ende no me the EP beba
okay
ko enwum ne dos on se me am studio fi nti ezi anso no me album so e ready ene so ti me twen se EP no be kokakra na album ne beba yes ne di animu no e bo mo dia so no aso me ma e bitu sumpa okay ti ya
totally
wa yamina
and you know so far EP ne ba February asana album na ide
aba no de on the ide so
na obi hwehwe wa chia ko social media handles na for indi watching because you na auto ndi e bad fra
uko YouTube a na tito e wo ho EOB vibes wo uti
do ba be sana na
sisi ya no masese media na fam EOB vibes ba nye ni panyina na nim se fam EOB vibes tena na tito ni die e ye die da me so but EOB until say nipa bi hunu kakra on beti ase intino uko YouTube a ahwɛ me nyuma obɔ na netito a obinya obɔ EOB vibes ebeba uko Facebook a na netito official ebeba anase EOB vibe music ebeba uko Twitter na netito official anase EOB vibe music uko Instagram a saa be bia Boom Play, Spotify, Tidal, Amazon be bia saa
okay two upcoming for no mobile for kakama
ade a meka nyina ne sɛ adwuma na yɛ na adwuma na ɛde ɛsɛ ɔsɛ ɔde hyɛ otirim sɛ obretwa obretwa wu ɛyɛ bredwuma na wu yiw wu masika di wani bebre ba sika do bekɔkyire because me nipa bebre ba ɔmoto nwom pa ɛnso so enei sika di ɔmani mu di no ɔmonyo mpokura wanti sika de yɛ ɛnso so no Nyankopɔn mmerɛ na yɛ mmerɛ papa fa ho bra seɛ ɛfa ntobu ase ne Nyankopɔn suru ne bu nipa ɛno ano no because nipa na mani pa yɛ ɔhen ɛgyere wo ho ne fa hyɛ otirim sɛ tibia wo na mu bia no mani bu wa bem na gidi sɛ de nyame ka fa ho ne bebem pressure ne yɛ mo ne so dwokutam ahyɛ yɛ bɔ sɛ gyam kura wa ne yakokyem juda mu jata no ntoku na wona ɔyɛ mu ye nani da so ku ne ma hu wonya gide woni mu ɔbɛyɛ ofufuro a wo menu du wani wanyina bi hu ɔbɔkwan to de kwan ne wonya mi bɛyi ne ɔfa de nipa to akone na wosiesie ɛma wababu mu odue bibia bɛyɛ yie ɔbɛbɔ watamfo sɛ de wonim sɛ de yɛbɔ dwie on them
EOB vibes Charlie why you now out of 4 EOB vibes your friend Nana Tito is a dean was stuff in Nana Tito wako EOB vibes watch and say one and any chain come some common I did Charlie means some our economy may be to move watch and say it is a old shemia out of 4 memo abemumbu the piano conso near co and minute bompire and I made a team in solo papa and then the cameraman I love Moses what I say or this year by Charlie big up Polando Multimedia Kwesi P Charlie Madam Sofo Pennings was Apostle Michael Sepuku Prophet Nicholas Darko what I see that's why I'm Charlie baby will be a Michel famous multimedia Michel also be saluto be na said them also I fair Benghazi boutique what I say Tama Committee 1 Tama Committee also per Benghazi boutique Charlie big up and I'm a Paucho follow me what Facebook Abisco Multimedia Instagram Abisco TV Oko YouTube Abisco TV Oko TikTok Abisco 07 baby bia Charlie follow me na bibia opebi I just hit me up what I say we upcoming up person over show no so o experience be person share no show no so me numbers near the ego screen is fa never show where you free and you capture cry what I say but more than also plan never share experience na obi so a wo share nya bia dey infant no for ebi obi kwese no akonfo but because of the obe kanti obi bi no ayde wonya need aso what I say where the beginner stock show Charlie big up ya da wase say ma twan ye no ma tena on ye wie show we fefe nyame nhira mo nyina ma fi shapa afif sese on na bibia e large na ye big